Hello guys, welcome back for my Speakerphone YouTube channel, and in this video I will collect with handbells, all of my handbells from here. This one is the new one, but the one is the smallest one, this one is the largest one. Which one is better? Let's find out. Let's get started by the smallest. The number is this one. It does have numbers on it. Number 4. This one, faut essayer son descendre, but that means fresh words, so that means, but let's translate to English later. This one is the store bell, head bells. Even backwards. This one is another store bells. But another head bells is one for my grandma's houses. But it gets in the box over there. This one is Philippe Lepoil for the head cowbells. This one is like girl. It's another head cowbells. Look at the flowers. With some animals over there. This one is another head cowbells. Finity well. This one is the first and but the one second. But the one's high notes. Look at this. But this one is another head bells, brass bells. This one, another head bells over there. Perfectly see. But this one is another head bells. Very tall one. This one is another Finity one, but not the cowbells. This one, the large one. The third and the largest one. Finity one. This is third one. This one is the third and the tallest bell, but it's actually the small one. Even got high notes. This one is the second to the largest head bells. But the one is the new one. And if we count the non-guest notes, the main differences is the normal bells over here and to the head bells, the new head bells. Last but not least, one of my non-guest head bells is here, number 15. So that means let's take a photo for total of the head bells. If I already took a photo, if I retouch the photo, I'm one. But if I never see the took a photo, but that means that's good. Mistakes. So that means subscribe to my Speakerway YouTube channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. So that means my Speakerway bells. See you on the next one.